So let's start applying some of this stuff. I think you should know this rule already. It's called the exterior angle rule. This exterior angle is equal to the sum of these two interior angles. Can I prove that to you? Well, these three angles inside the triangle have to add to 180. They're supplementary. And this external angle also adds with this angle inside here to get 180, because they're on a straight line. So if C plus D, let's call this one D, is equal to A plus B plus D, then C must equal A plus B. Solve for x in these two geometric figures. Well, this angle plus 85 must be 150 because of the exterior angle. So x is 150 minus 85, which I think is 65. What about over here? Well, all of these angles have to add together to make how much? This shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, so it's 3 lots of 180, which is 540. So they all have to add together to make 540, from which you can solve for x. But how much do I have to write down for this? Well, let me show you what the textbook has done. So the first one's very straightforward. I wouldn't even bother saying theorem. X plus 85 is 150, exterior angle. And therefore x is 65. Here, work out the total angle sum. It's 180 times 3 to get 540. Then add all your angles up to get 540. And then solve for x. It's really very straightforward. Here's a couple more examples. How do I work out the size of A? Well, it's a 6-sided figure which has 4 lots of 180 in it, or 720. And then because it's regular, I just divide that by 6. What about this shape? How am I going to solve this? I would be drawing a parallel line through there. Then this angle must be 25, and this angle must be, well, it's co-interior with this 140. So this must be 40, and this 25, and the total is 65. How much do I actually have to write? The textbook does this. Just a reminder, alternate angles and co-interior angles adding to 65 degrees. Personally, I would be putting a little degrees sign on each of these because I am talking about degrees. Notice though, for me to be able to talk about BCF and FCD, I had to not only draw that line in and mark that it's parallel, but also give that a name so I can then talk about it. Actually, while I'm here, let me also talk about angle names. I find students often get confused by this. It's really straightforward. Angle BCF means if I draw from B to C to F, I've just drawn that angle. B to C to F is the angle I want. B to C to F, and I've just drawn this angle. Likewise, FCD is F to C to D. What angle did I just draw? FCD. I just drew this angle.